All right. What's good? What is good? I just got off work, so I thought I'd just take a quick little spin. Waiting for my girlfriend to get home so we can go to the gym. So, thought I'd drive around, maybe get some videos. Yeah, let's hit the road. It's a very nice day out, so yeah, can't complain for an October day. Yeah, man, Monday. Hope your Monday treated you well. Hope your day at work or school was good. And yeah, man, we're through it. We are through it. So like I said, I'm gonna hit the gym earlier, or geez, I'm gonna hit the gym later, earlier. Chest day, but depending on how many people are there, might do back. So took Saturday and Sunday off from the gym. Got some nice, much needed rest. Some much needed rest. Had my cousin's birthday party on Saturday, so we celebrated him. He is 1 year old. Little baby. I guess he's my second cousin, but nonetheless a cousin either way. And then just hung out on Sunday, man. Made some food, watched some football, just relaxed with the dog, with the girlfriend. Really just good weekend. Yeah, I was itching to drive the car, so we're kind of just going with no destination. Just gonna drive. spot to take some videos, short form videos, some TikToks of my car. Might pop in over here. Just find a good spot. But yeah, I want to get some more footage, short form content out there. I've been lacking lately. Just been focusing more on the long form YouTube videos, but dude, okay, what are you doing, man? Bistro. There's a really good restaurant that was there a couple years ago that went out of business. I miss that place. Haven't tried that place yet. I might pull up here and take some videos. Alright, we'll be back. Alright. Got enough people giving me weird looks, so we're gonna head out. Spot back there. I might have to loop around. I have to loop around. Spot's always good, actually. Let's pull up here real quick. Clean. Get my CPL lens. So when I record content, I use this CPL filter. Basically reduces the glare on the windshield and mirrors, not mirrors, but headlights, side windows. I could show you on the GoPro in a second. Let me just record some of this real quick. Step back a little bit. TikTok and Instagram. I think it's just TikTok actually, but they like to crop your videos just a tad. So you always kind of need to zoom out just a bit. All right, we're off to the races. I think that's good for now. I'm gonna head home and we'll get some more later. But that's how I film some short form content. Like I said, the polarizer basically just blacks out. Like, oftentimes you'll have like a glare on your windshield. The polarizer just blacks it out if you're not aware. Makes it look better. So yeah. Trees are changing colors, man. They look so good. Love it. So yeah, we're gonna head home and get ready for the gym. Figure out dinner plans. Not really sure what we're gonna do, but figure out something. Trying to stay healthy. I gotta whip up my crock pot game. Start learning some good recipes. So yeah, man, that's all for me today, dude. I appreciate you watching. Hope your life's treating you well, man. Have a good start to the week. And as always, drive safe out there, man. Drive safe. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.